Hey y'all, it's Octavia. I just wanted to show you a really unique way to work your shoulder muscles, specifically your delts right here. So Delt is 3, right? So you have your front, your lat, and your rear delt in the back. And to make your shoulder round out really nicely and to be healthy in all directions, you want to work the front, side, and back. So I'm just going to show you. I have a 3-pound dumbbell here. 3 might be too light for you. I wouldn't start doing this with anything heavier than a 5 because your shoulder muscles are really sensitive and shoulder injuries are very common. So I would start light with this, but I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so first thing you do is a front delt raise. Then what you do is you take it out to the side like that because that's hitting the back, okay? Then you take it down. Then you take it up from the side, so you're getting your lats again, and then you pull it forward again to the front. So that's like 1 rep, okay? You bring it back down. So you go up, out, to the side, down, boom, back up from the side, pull it back into the front. I'll do this 10 times. So when I do this, I go up, out, down, up, front, back down. That's 1. Up, out, down, up, front, down. That's 2. I do this 10 times, all the way up to 10. Back, up, out, down, up, front, down,